Mindful Minerals Get Babied Shea Body Butter is the replacement of all lotions around your office and home. As with all Mindful Minerals ingredients, Get Babied is baby to grandma safe, all natural, and biodegradable. Slather your skin in the 35 minerals and trace elements of the Dead Sea with 2 all-natural formulas rich in olive oil, shea butter, and infused fruit seed oils. The first formula is infused with grapefruit and bergamot. The second is infused with daisy extract. The mild citrus aromas in these 2 products are inoffensively subtle and easily enjoyed by both men and women. Unlike most moisturizers sold in the US, Get Babied Body Butter does not contain petrochemicals that trap toxins from leaving the body and block skin from breathing. Get Babied is free of all petrochemicals, artificial fragrance, phthalates, parabens, and stabilizers with unpronounceable names. The Dead Sea minerals deeply penetrate the skin, repair skin moisture balance, and allow your skin to breathe. Upon application, notice how quickly and smoothly this butter spreads and absorbs into the skin within a couple of minutes, without feeling greasy.